Hey guys, welcome back to TR3 Performance. Today we're taking a bit different step here. We're showcasing you what we have in our PPF bay. So behind the scenes you can see we have a Ferrari Aperta that we've been working on. To the left of me we do have a 458 Speciale, and this is the new car that just got into our PPF bay. 2026 Ferrari SF90 XX. This car is spec'd incredibly. Carbon exposed everywhere. I believe it comes standard from Ferrari in that case, and then there's a few different options on it. The client spec'd it in moho green with a aquamarine blue stripe coming down the center. So we'll keep you posted on how we're going to be doing the paint protection. As you can see, this car has plenty of edges, plenty of different parts here and there, so we're going to try our best to make sure, tuck all of our edges, make sure everything is covered for this client. Additional to the paint protection, we will be doing some window tints and some windshield protection to this vehicle as well. So stay tuned on the process. This is a beautiful spec. We'll give you a little tour of the interior of the car as well. So here we're gonna take you guys a little bit more in depth in this beautiful SF90 XX Spider. As you can see, the car is a two-tone, or as you want to call it, a stripe going down the center. The stripe is in aquamarine blue. You can also see the aquamarine blue here on the mirror and on a few different accents on the side skirts. This car does have the complete carbon package on the exterior and on the interior. We'll take you on the interior shortly, but we do want to specify little touches that this client did. This shield right here typically goes on the fender, but if you do opt into getting the painted shield from Ferrari, it's about a $15,000 option. Goes on the door because the size of it is significantly bigger compared to the shield that goes on the fender. Obviously covered in XPEL Ultimate Plus to protect it from any rock chips or anything. On the wheel itself is a beautiful wheel from Ferrari, but our client did a color match lip all the way around the wheel, and he opted for the carbon fiber center caps, which you can see the car is almost completely carbon fiber option everywhere. Side skirt is complete carbon fiber. The side intakes are complete carbon fiber. All the carbon fiber options that you can get on the engine bay, rear end, everything is pretty much carbon fiber. And on the interior, everything as well is carbon fiber as well. So as you can see, these are very exposed areas like the side skirt and the side vent. Those are extremely exposed areas for high impact. So everything there is covered. Everything is paint protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus. So as you can see, the door panels have the inserts in aquamarine. The rest is complete satin carbon fiber. The paddles on the steering wheel have that beautiful aquamarine pinstripe on it. The seats do as well. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. We do have quite a bit more coming out here from TR3 Performance. So if you do like these videos, go like, subscribe, and share all our videos. Stay tuned for more.